I need to make a business development plan to my boss. Where do I start? What do I include? Hi guys, this is Sampath from Intandemly, and just in case you're getting started as a business development manager and if you're asked a BD plan, maybe this video will be useful to you. So, just to kind of give you a context, this video is a very quick guide to help you create a plan so that you can actually showcase it to your boss. The plan kind of includes 9 to 10 components that you need to be focusing on. It's really simple and pretty much like a no-brainer. So number one is mission statement and background of the company that you're working for. So make sure that understand the fundamentals of your company, know their mission, know their vision, and in case the company doesn't have one, go to your CEO and ask, because you also need to understand and you also need to be that involved. Number two is team. What exactly is your team setup? Are you having a couple of lead gens, or are you having an inside salesperson to support you? So get the team sorted. My recommendation, if you're just getting started, always start with a one or two. I would say, yeah, one or two people in the lead gen part so that they can kind of support you. But if you're being more aggressive, you can have a bigger team. Number three would be target market. Really nail down on which geographies you want to go for. To make it easy, pick primary geographies and secondary geographies. Primary is, just in case, all your efforts would go there, and in case you're not getting results in that geography, pick the next geography. In the target market, also include buyer persona. That means your ideal persons that you would be targeting. Make it simple. You do not need to make it super elaborated, but have these definitions in place. Number four is tools, software, and resources. Very, very important. What are your tools for lead gen? What is the CRM that you're going to be using? And post a response, who's going to be taking care? And collect all the resources that you have, or the resources that you would need help, needs to be included under this tab. Number five is positioning. How are you being positioned in the market? So it's just not about taking a product and merrily selling it. Understand where your positioning is and how you're different. And if you don't, ask your boss. They need to have an answer to this. Number six is marketing strategy. You might not be involved in the marketing strategy, but also do understand what's happening in terms of this social media plan or the PPC plan, and what kind of leads that they're generating. If you have a marketing team, if you don't, you can actually chuck this. Number seven is the prospecting strategy. Include all the elements that you want to use, whether you want to do your semi personalized emails, mass emails, LinkedIn touch points, calls, or Twitter strategy. Put as much as possible, but have this really, really flexible, because prospecting strategy is something that you would have to review, I would say, week on week, because we just can't stick to one strategy and see that you get all the results from there. Number eight is goals. So make very, very precise goals. To make it easy, have goals like, okay, first 3 months, if you're getting started, it would be something like generating 10 positive responses, or maybe I would also say 15 calls in a week. So make very simplistic goals for the first 3 months, and then I think after post 3 months, start setting up revenue goals. Number nine is action plan. Strategy, having a great document in place is really wonderful, but if that's not backed with a proper action plan, it would not make any sense. So have a proper action plan in place with all the resources, tools, and the team that you're setting up. And how would you be going from the word go? Number 10 is budget. So really know and ask your management how much they're looking to spend. I would actually work the other way around. First, you make an analysis on how much budget you would need, and then go to the management and see if that is workable or not, and see, or work out in a way if you could hit the middle ground. I will also leave a template for all the points that they have mentioned, and you could just actually fill this up according to your company and according to all the stuff that you have, and make the plan really, really simple and easy, and you should be good to go.